6 a.m. pa lang. We woke up na. This is the view. Time to pack. Babalik namin ng Manila today. We're now open for reservations. If ever you guys want to camp out here, just email me. And then we're gonna converse via email muna for now. Iba talaga pag Mother Nature yung kasama mo. Look at this view. Swim si Kai mo bago kami umalis. Come on. I know you wanna swim. Kanina ka pang naghihintay. Ang hirap kasi pag nag-off-leash siya, kung ano nung kinukuha sa tubig, isda, inuhuli. Wow. Okay. Okay. Rest. Rest muna. Rest. In the car now. Again, the car is from Hertz. I rented from Hertz, Manila. Going back to Manila, pero bago bumalik na Manila, kain muna kami ng Lomi. Loming Batangas. The best. Lomi! Yum, yum, baba! Ano battery si mama, lobat na. We're back sa Hertz. So, diretso kami sa parking lot kasi dito binabalik yung mga kotse. So, yan. Yun yung car namin for the weekend. Okay, so bumili kami ng bagong harness for Kaimu. Yung violet niya before, hindi na kasha. So, I'm gonna post it on Instagram stories. Ibebenta ko na if ever you guys want it. Super nice yung brand niya. It's called ErgoFlex Fur Plus. New pet generation. But super ganda niya. Waterproof pa. So, ito na yung large fit for Kaimu. Kasi yung grabe, bilis-bilis lumaki nitong batang to. No, Babalish? You're so cute. After niya mag-walk siya, ako siya papaliguan para tuloy-tuloy na. Ay, sus! Grabe naman si Kai Mumu. Hi, Kai Mumu! Oh, baby! Stretchy Betchy? Ay, sus! Pasikat ka talaga yun, no? Cutie boy. One more. I love you, Mama. Sobrang knockout na si Kaimu. Kailangan ko siya paliguan. Baka bukas na lang. Dami kong bagong videos. Natanggal pala yung lashes ko dito. Look at that. Pero akong Facebook Live bukas ng 10. 12 yata yun. Sana hindi ganun kahalata. But I'm getting them retouched tomorrow din naman. So, anyway, that's it for the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Humihilig na si Kaimu. Bye. Ang dami kong biniling mga gulay. Kasi yun nasa island kami, ang sarap ng food. So, bumili ako papaya, bumili ako ng watermelon. Yung mga, ang tawag dito, yung mga tomato na malalaki, tapos okra, apples. So, kakain lang siguro ako ng pakwan tonight. Ay, di ba sabi nila bawal ako kumain ng pakwan sa gabi? Mamamatay daw. Ewan ko, kasabihan lang nila. I'm so happy with all the stuff that Lightroom lent to me. So, pinahiram nila ako ng Joby na tripod. So, if you remember si Will, ganun din yung tripod niya since before pa ng bonggang-bongga. So, I super loved it kasi sobrang rugged talaga niya and it's super high quality. And kahit na sobrang SLR ilagay mo dito, hindi siya matutumba or whatever kasi nga sobrang high quality talaga. And then, this is my camera. So, ito yung ginagamit ko together with all the accessories. So, yung lens na to, tried using this lens and sobrang bonggang zoom talaga siya, like super, oh my gosh. So it's from Tamron. We also got here the GorillaPod rig upgrade. So ito yung parang mga extra kamay ng Joby nyo. And then that one, you can connect to the light. So, meron tayong LED light dito. And then, yun lang. Lalagay mo yung extra kamay and then may light siya here. So, it's like perfect for vlogging kapag malabo or madilim. Lalagay mo yan. Tapos may extra kamay siya. And then, the other kamay can have like a mic or something else that you want to add to your Joby tripod. So, that's super awesome. Thank you so much to Lightroom. I super love this hair color, you guys. Again, hindi siya yung color na nilagay ko sa hair ko. It's actually a result of 2 different colors na pinagpatong ko. So, yun. I love it. And actually, may shoot ako ng 29. Pero kailangan ko mag-brown or black hair. So, hindi ko alam kung ano. I'm still looking for washable hair spray. Hair color sprays. Pero wala kang mahanap. Out of stock sa Watsons. So, today, we're gonna have a live session with Lazada and L'Oreal. So, that's gonna be at 10:30 yung call time namin. So, I have to get ready na actually. And then, may 2 o'clock meeting ako. And then, 2:30 na lash retouch. Hey! Perfect. Kasi natanggal na yung dito ko. Ayan o. Kalbo na siya. Breakfast na tayo. Nagpadala ang Quaker Oats sa akin ng bag. So, this is actually from one of the events na pinuntahan ko pero hindi ko nakuha yung bag kasi nga papunta ako ng airport noon. So, they sent over the Quick Cook oatmeal. And then we also have here instant oatmeal. Just add hot water. Quick Cook ulit na smaller size. It's an apron. That's cute. I'm actually gonna do a vlog for them. So stay tuned for that kasi gusto kong gayahin ng isang recipe nila dito. Love it. No, kaya mo, you want some oatmeal? Nanihina ng doormat yan. Guilty face pero kumain na siya ng breakfast. Good boy. And he slept all night to cage niya, which is perfect. No, kaya mo. Without crying, no. Bagong ligo din yan. They also gave us a mug or a mason jar kasi pwede kayong gumawa ng oatmeal silog nyo in a jar kapag lalabas na kayo or if you want to take them out to office or whatever. Bongga, diba? I love it! So, stay tuned for my vlog. Ito yung ano natin, apron. Quicker! Cute, no? Here at the Lazada office stand with Tony! Hi, Tony! We're going live at 12 noon. With L'Oreal. Wow. Yes, brown coffee. Black coffee pala. Girls, live na kami on Facebook right now. Makaka-replay to, so I'll have the link in the information. Ang cute namin, no?
Si Dua?
Cute namin ni Tony siya.
Si Dua Lipa?
Hi, Tony!
Hello!
Fun fact, yes, pareho kami ng angle. Bongga.
So ako nauna na talaga I rushed this ate para sa akin naman.
Yes, meron kaming Queen headbands. We're done with the live! O, super bongga ng mga promo.
Yay! Thank you, this is my idol.
I love it.
Totoo, pinapanood kita ever
Girls,
since.
tignan mo naman yung shade ng ano natin, complexion, o diba?
Fancy ate! Kailangan ko na ano beach.
Having lunch at Manam. So, meron silang Bicol Express na lumpia. Yeah. And yung favorite kong, ano tawag yung palabok? Palabok. Yeah. So, I'm now here at Brow House at Serendra. So, magpapatouch up na ako ng lashes ko. Perfect timing kasi natanggal yung gitna. So, okay, so we're done with the touch-up of my lashes here at Brow House Manila. Full na siya ulit. I'm so happy. Welcome back to another vlog. Taking my scooter out kasi pupunta tayo ng Strip Manila for my Brazilian strip ice. And malapit lang, so scooter tayo. I made it on time, guys. So we're done with my 7th session na pala. The 7th session of the Brazilian strip ice here at Strip Manila. I highly recommend this service to you guys if ever you want na hair-free kayo. This is a semi-permanent hair removal. So all year long, hindi lang summer, hair-free. So super bongga. And it's my top choice. Strip Manila. Ito lang talaga. Back here at Manam. Gusto kong kumain ng 1 full meal today. Yum! Nag-scooter lang, so malapit lang siya from Serendra. Yum! This is corned beef kansi. Sizzling corned beef kansi. Garlic rice.